Welcome to a demonstration of Aether, my Intelligent CLI Agent. Aether is a thick client application designed to bridge the gap between your local development environment and cloud-based AI, giving you autonomous coding capabilities directly in your terminal. We start with security. Authentication in a terminal is tricky, so I implemented the OAuth 2.0 Device Authorization Grant. When I run Aether login, the CLI requests a temporary code from my Next.js backend. It opens the browser automatically, where I approve the session using my secure web credentials. While this happens, the Node.js CLI is polling the server in the background. Once I approve it on the web, the handshake is complete. The CLI receives a secure token and encrypts it locally. To verify this, I run Aether Whoami. The CLI uses the stored token to fetch my profile directly from the Neon PostgreSQL database, confirming that I am authenticated and ready to go. Now let's initialize the engine. I run Aether Wakeup. This boots up the local Node.js runtime. You can see it presents an interactive menu built with clack prompts. First, let's look at chat mode. This isn't just a curl request. It's a persistent session where the CLI manages conversation history and context locally. I can ask it general questions like, tell me what AI is in simple terms. The CLI handles the API orchestration with the LLM and renders the response using markdown formatting right here in the console. It's fast, responsive, and keeps me focused on the command line. I'll type exit to close this session. Now for the core innovation, agent mode. I run Aether Wakeup again, but this time I select the agent. Because Aether runs locally on my machine, not in a sandbox, it has direct access to my file system. It asks for explicit permission to create files and folders in the current directory. I'll give it a real task. Build a simple timer app using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. The agent doesn't just output code snippets. It interprets the prompt, generates a recursive JSON file structure, and physically writes the files to my disk. You can see it creating the index.html, style.css, and logic files in real time. The application is generated. Let's verify the code. I'm opening the project folder, and I'll launch the index.html using live server. And there it is, a fully functional timer application, styled and scripted, built entirely by the Aether agent without me writing a single line of code. This is Aether, bringing autonomous AI to your local workflow.